Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. If you're tired of dealing with lint buildup in your dryer vent, this is the solution you've been looking for. With the Holikme Dryer Lint Vac attachment, you can say goodbye to years of lint accumulation that can cause your appliance to run inefficiently and, more importantly, pose a fire hazard. This handy vacuum hose attachment reaches deep into difficult places, making it perfect for cleaning behind appliances beyond your reach. What's great about this kit is that it fits most vacuum cleaners and it's easy to assemble and use. Just follow the instructions and you'll be on your way to a cleaner, safer home in no time. Regularly cleaning your dryer vent is not only essential for fire prevention, but it also saves you the high cost of professional cleaning services. The package includes 1X Holikme Dryer Lint Vacuum Attachment, including the vacuum adapter and hose attachment. So, if you're ready to take control of your home's safety and efficiency, click the link in the description to get your Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home essentials and cleaning supplies reviews. Thanks for watching.